Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing a hitch for a Delica D5. It came with two brackets. The longer one's going to go to the right, left one's going to be shorter. And here's all the nuts and bolts that are going to go with it. The original screws are going to be too short. It's going to go into these holes right here. Here you got to remove this bracket on the left hand side. It's like a tow hook. But now since the hitch is going to go there, you can use the hitch for a tow hook. It's got 6 14mm bolts. This bracket seems a little bit longer, so it's going to go on the right side. This one seems a little bit shorter. I'm going to put this one up on the left. On this side, the bolt holes were kind of rusted out with sand and grit inside. I ended up spraying them down with WD-40 to get the bolts in there. Okay, it's all done. bolted in pretty nicely. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.